Cozy.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm low, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be laying low. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, and you turn that way to me. I'm your girl, stop. Hold you for me. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Hold you for my hand. So tight, coming closer.
I'm feeling violent, flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I don't just stay. Follow my dream.
It's your boy Mike Easy. Yeah. Oh, wow. Hey. I say a prayer when I wake up in
my god, you amaze me, you're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage, so let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in the daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning, cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't commit my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game to trying to selling tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus, I surrender all. To thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live. You're the bomb, and I just be setting the stage, so let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in the daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning, cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't commit my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game to trying to selling tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say